Instacart. Let's get it. Hey guys, what's up? My name is HEYASIAMAY and thank you so much for joining me today. If you guys are new here, I talk all things business, personal finance, and entrepreneurship here on my channel. And if that interests you, go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below if I earn your subscription by the end of this video. Hit that bell notification so you know every time I post a new video every Monday and Thursday. All I can say, guys, if you find anything informative or helpful or interesting, or you just like following me around and going Instacart shopping, just caress the like button. Please, you guys, just do it. YouTube sees that this information is valuable and they want to go ahead and put it in front of a larger audience. So with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for smashing the like button. Let's get into the video. In one of my recent videos that I just posted, I talked about 5 different side hustles that you could be doing during quarantine to help you make a little bit of extra money, catch up on your bills, get your budget going, and hit your savings goals. What I wanted to do and start walking you guys through is showing you guys that I actually do these side hustles, and I wouldn't show you guys anything that I wouldn't do myself or that I don't personally do and have experience with and have made money off of. What I want to do with you guys now is take you through a day of actually going through Instacart orders and giving you guys a little bit of advice on how to maximize your time on Instacart, make the most money so that your time is best allocated. Today I'm also going to be doing an unboxing right here of my new Instacart card, which you guys can see here. It says Instacart. So once you start with Instacart, you should be getting a new card for yourself in the next couple of weeks. Like for me, I think it took like about 2 weeks for me to get this card in. What happens when you get your Instacart card is pretty much that allows you to go shopping at some places that you wouldn't have been able to before. It does restrict you a little bit in terms of where you can go shopping. Though you're gonna have a lot of places that you can already go and shop at, it's going to restrict you from certain places like bigger name wholesale areas such as Costco, Sam's Club. If you guys have ever gone to Costco or Sam's Club, you already know that you could easily be racking up a lot of money that you are going to be spending. There is a correlation between the amount on the receipt and how high it is and how high your tip can be. So if the price of the groceries and what you see on the receipt is higher, you're going to be getting a better tip from that. If you are able to start doing pickups at Sam's Club and Costco, there's a higher chance and the probability that your receipt price is going to be a lot higher, so your tip is going to be higher as well. With that in mind, I'm really excited to open up this card and to start using it. I honestly usually won't take an order batch unless it's $20 or above. If it's a smaller order and I know that I'm going to be like quickly in and out in like less than 30 minutes and it's maybe like $15, I'll go ahead and take that one as well, just depending. I really recommend starting early in the morning with Instacart because there's less people online. You're able to really easily pick up higher dollar amount orders. So for example, once I ended up picking up an order that was like $25 for a payout and I only had to get 7 items. When I started Instacart, it was in the midst of the pandemic. I want to say I started Instacart around May after I had done my 2 weeks in quarantine here in Las Vegas once I came from Boston and make sure I was safe. After that 2-week period, I started doing Instacart because I wanted to make a little extra money. And for me, I love grocery shopping. Like, I'm not even kidding you. It's like a weird thing. I love grocery shopping. I love driving. It's very therapeutic for me. So Instacart was definitely the best of both worlds. It was just all perfect. Keep in mind, you guys, I am from Las Vegas. Every area in different regions of the United States has their own specific different grocery stores. For me here in Las Vegas, our local stores that we have are Albertsons and Smith's. And I also do Sprouts. Sprouts is like my favorite place to go to. I wish Trader Joe's was on Instacart. Instacart, get on getting Trader Joe's. But my favorite grocery store to go to for Instacart is Sprouts. In terms of time efficiency, gas, and everything like that, I do prefer to do something that is really close to me, and I won't really go out of my way as much anymore to go and pick up orders that are maybe 15-20 minutes away. I do live in Las Vegas. It is a tipping city, so for the most part, people are pretty nice about tipping. I will say though, I did start Instacart in the midst of the pandemic in May. You were straight up fighting for Instacart orders. Like, you had to be on your phone constantly refreshing your page to make sure that you got an order, or else like literally like if you didn't act on it immediately swipe to start shopping, like immediately gone. I don't know if it's like because people are going back to work now, but I feel as though you don't have to really fight for orders as much. Like, you have a few seconds to really kind of process and think, do I want to take this order? Do I not? Now you guys, let's go ahead and start unboxing this bad boy right here. So now you guys, we're going to do the first thing that we see. Welcome to Instacart. Thank you for your interest in becoming a shopper. Nah. Cool. Help me make some coin. Let's go. So I have my Instacart card right here. I'll go ahead and show you guys. This is what it looks like with my fingers all in front of it. It doesn't say my name or anything. It literally just says Instacart. It's the number and everything like that. When you get the card, that's all it comes really with. Let's see. Yeah, there's nothing else that's on the inside of it. All it says here is, open the Instacart shopper app, quick start, and then set up Instacart payment card option in the app dashboard. So So if you have any questions, it shows you where to go to. And on the very front of it, or on the back, whatever it is, it says, "Welcome to Instacart. Thank you for your interest in becoming a shopper, and welcome to our community. We are transforming the way the world shops for groceries, and I'm proud that you will be a part of this journey. As the very first Instacart shopper, I deeply understand the challenges and rewards of the sport. Your services are greatly appreciated, and your customers share amazing stories every day of shoppers directly improving their lives. I sincerely hope that they will enjoy the Instacart shopper experience." And it goes by CEO, that is enough. Now what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go ahead and enter the information into the app so I'm able to start unlocking all of the benefits of having the Instacart card. I had my laptop out just because I've never used screen recording before. I didn't even know that I could use it. I'm 23 years old, just turned, and I don't know how to do anything with technology. But we are able to go ahead and see. Always carry your physical card while shopping. Without a physical card, you may not be able to shop at stores that won't take Apple Pay, such as Costco, Sam's Club, bigger clubs like that, which are going to be ones that we want to be getting more into. From there, it says at the bottom also, get more batches and make more money, learn how to access different types of batches and earn more money. I am approved to get alcohol. Ooh, who is this? You're able to activate your physical card as well as some other remaining steps and options. Another step that you could potentially do as well, you guys, is to get the cooler bag. So once your cooler bag approved, you can shop higher paying batches. I think it's a little bit scammy that they make you want to get a bag in order to do the bigger batch orders. If you guys have any questions about that, if it really does make a difference, if I see anything that's different, if that's something of interest to you guys, hit the like button so I know that you guys are interested, as well as leave a comment down below. Say something like, more Instacart orders, baby daddy Drake candle goes to Instacart. Leave us a nice little thing, okay? But what we're gonna go ahead and do now is activate the physical card. So I tap on that, enter your payment card number, which is here. So I'm not gonna show this part of it just so you guys don't know what my card number is. All right, and just like that, my card has been activated. Simple enough, super easy. Cool, that's it. Now I have completed that step, so now I have my official certifications for activating my card as well as being able to do alcohol delivery. So I am 23 and I am able to deliver alcohol to people. The age is 21, obviously. So if you're under 21, grow up. Let's go see what some of these batches are. Something that I do like about Instacart, because they want to make sure that their buyers are going to be healthy and safe. They're not delivering anything, they're not spreading anything in the supermarkets, which I think is really important. They do have a survey for you guys when you do want to go ahead and start collecting batches. To shop, please answer the following questions. Within the past 14 days, have you been diagnosed with a certain virus? Obviously no for me. At 12 o'clock, it refreshes and you have to complete this questionnaire each day so that the data is accurate for Instacart. I'm well, thank you, so am I. Now we're gonna go ahead and open up the batch page. Here we have 4 available batches. Nothing really worth it, at least for me, you guys. Like I said, I don't typically accept orders that are under $20. It also depends on the number of items, because sometimes it's really not worth it. If it's like 40, 50, 60 items, you're gonna end up being in that store for like an hour and a half. There's a 24 item batch that is $16 and it's for 2 full service orders, which means you're going to be picking up 2 different people's orders and delivering them to different addresses. In the app, it's nice. It also shows you the distance between the store and how much you're going to be driving to and from people's homes. So for that order, it's going to be 7.8 miles. One thing I also want to point out, you guys, is that even though it's 24 items, it might be 61 units, but you could have multiple different units of one item. So here we have 1 item, which is a banana, and you have 10 units that you need to get. So that's why the number of units is usually always going to be higher if someone is going to get multiple of an item. So, and it gives you a nice little outlay of pretty much of everything you need to see for the Instacart Shopper app. You can see right here, that is where the store is, which is Sprouts Market. Then you see the 2 different homes where you're going to be delivering them from, and you can see the distance and everything. It also breaks down your earnings and how much you're going to be making. So for this Instacart order, it's a total of $16.20 that you could be making, and you just really see what Instacart ends up giving you after they take out their percentage. And then you get the tip, which is calculated based on the amount of the receipt. Some people will add more, other people will just keep it as is. So here we have a $6.18 tip. You can see everything that the person wants, and this is really resourceful and beneficial for you, especially because you can also kind of start to plan out where you're going to be going in the store. Before I even start and get my grocery cart, I like to look through the order and see what exactly is all in that order, so I can strategically think in my head, this is a way that I'm going to be going about shopping in the store. I like to make one big, huge circle, and so I don't have to go back and keep picking up miscellaneous things here and there. The way that you're going to be making money on Instacart is with time efficiency and being able to be in and out of that supermarket so you're able to pick up your next order. Right now, I'm going to wait on getting a nice order that is close by and makes a decent amount of money. So we're going to see what goes ahead and pops up. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys learned a few new things about Instacart. Leave a like on this video. Please just demolish that like button. In the midst of everything that's going on right now, it's been very difficult for a lot of people just to keep up and survive and stay afloat. So I hope that this video is helpful for you if you've been thinking about different ways that you can make money. I always like to have money. I never like to not have money. And so a lot of the money that I'm making from this is going to be funneling into starting another investment. Hit the subscribe button down below if maybe you're interested in all things that are business, personal finance, entrepreneurship. The whole purpose of this YouTube channel, you guys, is so that we are able to learn and grow together. I wholeheartedly mean that. On that note, you guys, I thank you so much again for joining me today, and until next time, bye guys.